Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss anything. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about 4 essential African spices you must always have in your kitchen. Yes guys, I said must always have. If you like African food, spicy food, interested in cooking African food but don't know what spice to use, this video is definitely for you. The spice I'm about to mention will make your food taste amazing and take your cooking game to the next level. Alright, let's get into the video. The first one is the African nutmeg. I'm from Cameroon and we have about 250 tribes, and each tribe have a different name for it, but the most common name is bebe. Um this is my favorite, guys. I really love this one. I use it almost in every food I make. It has a great fragrance and great aromatic properties. As you can see, it comes in a woody case that you can break to remove the seed and then grind it before using it. Some people like to grind it and store the powder, but personally I like to get the seed and grind it myself prior to using it in order to keep the fresh smell. I use it for everything, like literally everything. Soups, stews, barbecue seasoning, baking sometimes. Yes, baking, because the smell is just amazing. And guys, because it has a very strong smell, so you don't want to use a lot. So I usually use about 2 seeds per meal, so that I don't overpower all the flavors of my foods. This is definitely a must have, like definite. The second one is the whole country onion, or the French name is rondelle. It has nothing to do with onion at all, but however it has a very strong garlic flavors, like strong garlic flavors. Usually when I use it, I don't use a lot of garlic or no garlic at all, because I don't want my food to smell like garlic. That's not what I want. So when I use this, I usually use 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. That's it. It's also good in stews, soups, any way you will use garlic, you can use this one. And as you can see, it also comes in a woody case. You break it and then you remove the seed. By the way, guys, the seeds are very hard, like very hard. So I usually soak them in water, to make them soft a little bit before I grind it and use it. Don't use the seeds like directly in your food. It's not gonna have any effect at all. Always make sure you grind it before you use it. This is one of my favorite too. I really love it, and yes, this is a must have. The third one is the forsyth spice. I don't know the English name for it. I really don't know. But yeah, it's widely used in traditional medicines. Girls, if you have painful periods or back pain, headaches, you can boil some of it in water and then drink it and you'll be good. But hey, that's not what we're here today. Today we're talking about how is it used in the kitchen. Um, it definitely has a very strong smell. So yes, you don't want to use a lot in your food. I would say a pinch. Even a pinch is it's a lot. I would say less than a pinch. So to use it, I usually just burn it and crush the flesh to add to my preparation. It's also good for stews, barbecues. If you would like to marinate your meats, fish, whatever, you can use this a little bit, not too much. Remember, just a little bit, just a pinch, and it will make your food taste amazing and smells amazing. The last one is the Djansang. That's the Cameroonian name. I don't know the English name for it. So please let me know in the comment section down below if you know the English name for it. And basically, it's just used for flavoring and thickening soups. For example, if you're making uh, any soup, any soup that you like and you don't want it to be too watery, you can use about 3 or 4 seeds of Djansang, and then it will help thickening your soup. Because if you use too much, your food is going to be very, very thick. So you don't want your food to be very, very thick. But at the same time, you don't want your food to be too watery. So just use about 2 or 3 seeds. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And please let me know in the comment section down below where you are from and how you call this spice and how you use it. Also, let me know if you are interested in buying some of this spice. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.